Thanks for joining us for our Sunday watch list. I am the Stock Watchman. Today I'm going to go over SPY, ChargePoint, AMC, and NVDA. If you guys haven't done so already, for live trade alerts, lifetime Discord access, and all of our indicators, if you click the link in the description, you guys can join us today. First stock I'm going to be looking at is going to be SPY. This is going to be on the 4-hour time frame. My biased opinion overall, since we are still in a bearish regression channel, is I want to be looking for playing puts still in the market. Now the biggest levels of support that I'm purposely looking out for is 385 and then the next level here around 380. Now the reason I'm saying that is down here on our dashboard we can tell a couple things. We are still in bearish momentum. So how do we know that? The middle line here represents overall market momentum. When this is red, this means bearish. That means the price is heading in a downward direction. Now, when this switches over to green, what happens to the price? Let's just go straight up. This is where we're increasing. Right now, we have not made a change in our white line, which is our money movement, or our middle band, which is the overall market direction. So in my opinion, since we are not making a lower high, meaning a shift back up as we were right here in the market, to have an increase, I still want to be looking at playing puts on the SPY going into next week. Now I do have this level of support right here. This is 371.88. I know that's kind of a scary area, but the reason I have this marked out is if we take a look directly left, this in my opinion is going to be the strongest area of support in the entire market where we could actually be testing. Quite a few points on this market has tested this area and had a great bounce up and also acted as an area of resistance, which is why I want to be looking out for this as more of a long-term play. Now this could be possibly into next week or the week after hitting this area, but this would also confirm our regression trend at the bottom as well. Next stock we're going to be taking a look at is going to be ChargePoint. ChargePoint is on my watch list because again, we are in a regression trend to the downside. This is bearish momentum in the market overall. Our white line money momentum has shifted up here into the top two red bands. Just as we did right here, we did see a slight push to the downside, test a level of resistance and then pop back up. But right now, again, my overall bias opinion, since we have not shifted back over to a green bullish momentum and our money momentum has not yet started shifting in an upward direction, my overall thought process is going to be playing puts on ChargePoint going into next week. First level of support that I want to take a look at is going to be 1257, which you can tell right here had a nice bounce off before, so I do want to be looking at that area. If we do end up breaking that spot, this will be the next level of target, which is going to be $10.19. All right, AMC. AMC is setting up for a great drop in my opinion as well. Not only are we in a regression channel to the downside, which means bearish momentum overall, on our dashboard below here, our white line, again, money momentum, it's topping out. It's not actually making a higher high and it's dipping out of the market. We also have a couple other features on our dashboard. This red line, obviously meaning bearish momentum overall, is in conjunction with a red dot. Now this red dot is a key EMA crossover in the market, saying that we want to look for a continuation further to the downside. So when you have all three of these illuminated together, this is what I look out for in a market to see a push lower. Now, first level of support, the strongest level of support, not taking account of this little one here at about 1175, this stronger level of support around 1030 is what I want to be looking at for AMC if we break below this level to be taking profit on. Now this could continue down further on the regression channel, but overall, let's not get greedy on AMC. This is obviously a stock that can move in multiple directions very quick. First take profit. Let's just take a look and see if we can get at 1034. All right, guys. Last one is going to be NVDA. NVDA, reason being, take a look at our money momentum down here. We are shifting way too far out of the market too fast. We have not yet made a higher low. So what I mean by that, take a look at when we're doing this section right here. We're making higher lows into the market. What's happening to the price? We're increasing. Our middle band also shifted over to a majority of green, just as we were right here. That means bullish momentum are in reverse in the market. We are not there yet. Until we get to that spot on NVIDIA going into next week, I want to be looking out for these areas of support. 157.31 I believe is a great area to be playing puts to the downside on this. Now you can draw down to this max support area on this very bottom wick here. This ended up going to 152. In my opinion, don't get greedy with this trade. Just take it down to this area around here, around 156, 157. if we get the opportunity for this to break down lower. Again, wait until your money momentum starts shifting back up and your middle band to go over to green to make sure that a reversal is coming before you get out of playing puts so you can maximize your profits as much as possible. All right, guys, that is your Sunday watch list. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again, to join our team for live trade alerts, lifetime Discord access, and all of our indicators, just click the link in the description. I'm always here to help you guys out. Have a great day.